Hey everyone, it is Julie here with TipRanks. In today's video, I want to show you guys one of my favorite tools on the TipRanks website, and that is the Trending Stocks tool. So let's take a look. From the TipRanks homepage, we're going to go up to Research Tools. Under Top Stocks, we'll find Trending Stocks. Now this is a great tool to see which stocks are trending with Wall Street analysts. That is, stocks which have been rated by at least 3 analysts recently. Now you can display these based on how the stocks are being rated, including best rated, worst rated, or most rated, and the time period for these ratings, looking at the last 72 hours, 7 days, or 30 days. If you want to further narrow down your search, you can do so by market cap and sector. So for example, let's take a look at a medium market cap and focus in on the technology sector. This will give you an instant overview of stocks that meet that criteria. It'll show you all of their ratings in that time period and the overall consensus, as well as the average price target and upside or downside potential. Of course, you can also switch between the US, Canadian, and UK markets. If you want to find out more about a specific stock, just click on See All Ratings. Here you'll be able to conduct more research and add stocks to your portfolio or watch list. So it's as easy as that, guys, and now it's your turn. Check out the Trending Stocks tool on TipRanks. I'll have the link in the description down below, and let me know your thoughts, plus what other tools you'd like to see us review here on the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you back here next time.